I'll show you how you can slice and print something using the resin-based printers. First, we're going to open up our object in Chitu box. I think that's how you pronounce it. And we'll open up an STL file, so you have to make that in some other package like Tinkercad or something better. And it puts the object on the bed, and it's almost ready to go, but we have places, if your object has places where things overhang, you'll need to make some supports. And it's probably a good idea to make supports anyway in general. So I'm going to click on the support making tab right here, and we're going to just hit all supports. It will generate supports that adhere to the platform and touch all the points that have overhangs that would otherwise not work. And that's pretty much it. Now we can hit slice, and we can save the file, the resulting file. I'll just save it to the downloads folder. We'll take that, put that on the thumb drive, and put that thumb drive into the 3D printer. Okay, turn on the machine in the back and get some resin. If this is not full enough, I'm going to put a little bit more in here. There is a line that says how high to fill it. Don't fill it past that line, but I'm making a small print, so I don't need to fill it up that much. I'm going to take the lid, make sure the seal is on the lid, and set it down carefully. I put my STL file on here, so I'll plug this in, and there is a print button, and I get to look around and find the files. In this case, my file shows up right here. I can see a little picture of it, and hit print, or tap that, and then hit the arrow button to get started. This thing's going to lower down, and it's going to do its work. After the print is done, I let it hang here for a little bit while the rest of the resin drips off it. So the print is done. You can unscrew this and remove this head. I try to hang it over here to let the last few drips come off. And then I'll take a piece of scrap paper or two to catch the drips as I take it off. So now we have to remove this print from this platform, and I'll do it by carefully trying to get underneath the print, and it came off. So this print now needs to be washed and cured. So let's go straight to washing it. Okay, the next step is taking it to this bath of water. So I'm going to turn it on, take the lid off, and put the part in the basket. This basket can sit and hang here. And now we have to make sure that the settings are right on the front of the machine. This little light means that it's going to shine UV light. That's the wrong mode. That looks like a swirly shape, but that's the rinsing and spinning mode. So we're going to add a little bit of time to it. I'll do it for maybe a minute and a half, and I can hit start. It won't let me do it, of course, because I don't have the lid back on. And this thing will spin and make a whirlpool, and it'll rinse the last little bits of resin off of the part. Okay, while that is washing, I'm going to put this platform back. If you aren't going to use the resin for a while, you can return it back to the bottle. But I'm going to be doing another part. When the part is washed and it's done, we're going to take it out. Take it out of the basket. And usually I like to let the part dry for a while, but for now I'm just going to show you what it looks like. If it's drier, then it'll cure better. But just for now, I'm going to show you how this works. To fully cure the resin, we're going to expose it to ultraviolet light. And here the setting has to be on the light. I'm going to set, once again, maybe a minute and a half. And now the part is going to be cured. I usually do this a couple times with the part in different orientations. In this case, just to make sure that I get underside pieces cured, parts of the piece cured as well.